In a world where luxury and sophistication reign supreme, a new era is about to begin. Introducing the 2023 Toyota Century, a vehicle that takes elegance and craftsmanship to new heights. The Century was introduced in 1967 as Toyota's top chauffeur-driven vehicle. Until then, Western luxury manufacturers dominated the Japanese chauffeur vehicle market. Toyota set out to design an entirely new premium Japanese vehicle that could compete on the global arena, hoping for a breakthrough. The first-generation Century was developed with the most advanced technology available in Japan at the time. Was founded on the idea of a dignified design that merged traditional Japanese aesthetics with a human-centered approach to create exceptional tranquility and comfort. The Century has been Japan's chauffeur car of choice for more than 5 decades, exhibiting an unequaled sense of omotenashi, or hospitality, that ensures its essential passengers arrive at their destinations in luxury. The new model has grown into a chauffeur automobile under the idea of the chauffeur, which will continue to exceed customer expectations in the years to come while pursuing the essence and inheriting the dignity, silence, and riding comfort befitting a Century. The new Century model will be completely adaptable on a worldwide scale by listening to the wants of each unique consumer. The goal is to provide even more individuals with freedom in motion, the ultimate freedom of movement. Welcome to Life in Luxury, a place where we explore the world of high-performance automobiles. If you are new here, welcome and consider subscribing. Design. Majestic and dignified body design with horizontal and vertical form elements to represent the distinctive Century worldview. Characteristic chauffeur-driven automobile proportions with a center of gravity at the rear are paired with an outline inspired by a loom shuttle pattern, with Kitcheman 2 chamfering outlining generously proportioned, smooth flowing door panels. The exterior is completed to the greatest precision by expert artisans, as seen by the delicately etched Phoenix logo and the mirror finish, a sumptuous gloss achieved via thorough polishing of painted surfaces. The exterior is completed to the greatest precision by expert artisans, as seen by the delicately etched Phoenix logo and the mirror finish, a sumptuous gloss achieved via thorough polishing of painted surfaces. For setback lighting for each of the headlights and taillights provide the appearance of a dignified stare. Interior space. The new Century has a pleasant interior with plenty of room and versatility that can be utilized in a variety of circumstances. Rear chairs that fully recline and have a refreshment function, allowing rear seat passengers to thoroughly rest. The audio system was created using the finely tuned aural senses and exceptional processes of a musical instrument manufacturing master. As a consequence, passengers are surrounded by a pleasant listening zone that gives the impression of a live performance. Rear doors that open to a broad 75-degree angle and a sweeping cabin floor make entry and egress a breeze. Furthermore, handy automatic retractable power stairs and easy-to-grab C-pillar grips let rear seat passengers enter and depart in a natural and beautiful manner. The cockpit is outfitted with functions and features that aid expert drivers while also improving simplicity of use. It is also a place where owners may concentrate on their driving while they are behind the wheel. Powertrain. Driving in the newly built 3.5-liter V6 plug-in hybrid powertrain provides a strong and exciting drive while maintaining the quietness expected of a Century. The new plug-in hybrid system is intended to operate as a BEV for daily usage and as a HEV for long-distance travel, making it the ideal powertrain for a chauffeur-driven car. The motor and engine deliver strong and exciting acceleration, allowing the automobile to be operated not just as a chauffeur car but also as a driver's car for personal driving enjoyment. The dynamic rear steering 4-wheel steering system enables effortless handling at low speeds and fluid, natural handling at medium to high speeds. For the first time, a rear comfort mode that aids the driver's control of the car to guarantee a comfortable ride for rear passengers is available. Furthermore, the rear comfort mode works with the brake control to reduce jolts as the car comes to a stop. The torsional stiffness and riding comfort of the body have been considerably increased. On the cabin side of the cargo space divider, noise-reducing transparent laminated glass is utilized to adequately separate the cabin from the cargo area and create the seclusion and remarkable stillness associated with chauffeur-driven cars. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And here are the videos we handpicked for you to watch next. Life in Luxury, your personal mentor.